Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Kahenyitrep Acik National Movement HANM sengkemi kelapan remjur di ulat ke jela berem utatha gataroy bar ya ubi kide kiba sa syabar ke jela kiba juken shotman kapor di social media ban penyapher jaj benreu padang kikasi bat kiwei jaj benreu kiba sa hame khalia ka HANM kelapan kenmau badai kasi kiba ajakai ki bengali kiba wan petwir na Bangladesh hakapor bakidan kathama is Pakistan house nam cijak na spa nyapuwe handai kinik jaj benreu kim sengu handai kimut ban pen ibor kala ya jaj benreu kasi Hawe kena berkila patai kubor hasilong. Ubak kelang thongni kum ubais presiden. Bar ubak war iwan sotun. Astan General Secretary ke HNM. Kile thu bakaseng kan sepun kre ban ai. Daki ijahar ya ki bengali. Kiba sa syabar ke jela. Kiba temu pensyit je benreu hapok ke jela.
Nagaliang jong ka HNM. Penpau ke jing smoke ya. Abre ke jing listing jong ka sarkar jela. Ya kaban budian. Apa day ke jing penmi lomba ki social media jong ini ki kharbang kali diberi nasabah hamtam na diberi bat ke jing penmi lomba ka Twitter account jong kata roy diberi ex governor jong ka Meghalaya ban penshit ban konshot ya kani ke jing penyeki ini kata ka communal conflicts abren jongi ngajak beliau kasih buat Bangali sarkar nagaliang jongi kat senam maka kata bu ya kajing dawa nak sarkar maka dai ban kem mordor ban budin ya kini kedekhar ibu persang ban sim kabu dak ba pentok bria ya kajing long kerpang juga saya beri kasih. Begini, bahasa sebuah city sebuah Mumbai Maharashtra, kiwi pat, bahasa sebuah Kashar Tripura, Persiang dan Muslim. Ya kan ni kejing songsuk songsan apa juga setiap dungi Persiang dan Muslim. Ya ke jinglong bakar juga saya beri ujungi. Markata ngi dawa ya sarkar jela maka di ban budian ban kem mordor de kum kini dijak bre om takata naglang juga disam kan pen kre na ban kedu ya home minister deputy CM pani kren lor kani pemerintah pada juga por pen kre ru FR na mentah kini kibrio mo persang pan konshot balai ba kini ki khar bangli ki barsa syabar ki persang ban muslia ya ke jinglong bakar pang juga jai bendeu jungi jai bendeu kasih nyotrap adon la jong ke history bat hala banong ba kini ki khar ki bodon hagni ke jakaru kin hapan kubur rangkat bat ni kan sinem bat ngada kwaru bakini khar baladang ki khar ki basa agni ka jaga ka jongi hapo ni rilong kasi jungi balada kani ka ding kanum kelang hapreng jong ka jag beli kasi jungi bat kini kharbangli dawa ki baki dei ban ai ka statement kam tuai ka bala ada ki kwa i jong sok sansan hapreng jungi bat jongi juru Kapat ya ka bu ya kejing dawa ya ka police department bakim dai ban sange ya ka interrogation lani kejing investigation abri bu kejing ja po jumiti ya tu kibreo kalau don kiti na kamta ban peniap ya we samla nang tina po sora ubri dekat jong kejak beliau jongi
ya keren no keren kenapa yo kubor mah pada Asia ki jai bendeu yo dari dia berkhot it is really unfortunate that the situation in the state of Meghalaya which has always been a peaceful state in the entire region of northeastern India, when you see the condition at the moment, the the situation which has arises due to the problem in Ichamati, which is a local problem between 2-3 individuals, of which there are some interested parties from outside the state who has come to Meghalaya just to witness and to find out what are the faults in the community, in the citizen of the state of Meghalaya, to interfere inside the state of Meghalaya, to bring a communal right in the state of Meghalaya. I think these people, including the Mr. Tathagata Roy, who is such a man with a stature, who is a former governor of the state of Meghalaya, we have never expected him to take a decision to divide and rule in the state of Meghalaya, where his comments through his Twitter, his demand of banning the student body by the name of Khasi Student Union, which we all as an organization in the state of Meghalaya, we are against it, because we have never seen even a single work that has been done by the KSU which is anti-India or anti-constitution of India. So therefore we call upon Mr. Tathagata Roy to, whenever he make a statement, to make a statement which will bring peace to the state of Meghalaya, which will bring peace, which will bring unity, not only in the state of Meghalaya, but will bring peace and unity in the whole country of India. Another point is that there are some people by the name of Mr. Vicky Day, who goes to the mainland India and portray the stature of the position of the tribal here in Meghalaya, including the Khasis, that we as a tribal, we hate non-tribal. His allegations, when he says that the tribal here are not getting opportunities to do business, they are not getting the opportunities to grow themselves as a community here. I mean, look around you. If you look around in Shillong, you will see 99% of all the shoppers in Shillong, all the factories, all the industries are run by non-tribals, people from mainland India. We don't take sides with any community. We love each and every community. What, as an organization, we feel threatened is the influx that comes from Bangladesh. All illegal immigrants from Bangladesh must go from Shillong. We don't want any illegal immigration, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but entire northeastern state of India. All illegal immigrants must go away. We don't want you here. As far as the genuine citizen of the state, they have already lived in peace. They will continue to live in peace in the state of Meghalaya. For example, let me tell you, in 1971, when there was a war in Bangladesh, which was then East Pakistan, who gave the land to Bangladesh, to Bangladeshis, to Bengalis in Shillong? Who gives them the land? Who gives them food, medicine, water? Who protected them from the tyranny of the East Pakistan military? It is the Khasi people. We have a land here in Renja which is called the Renja refugee colonies. Who gave them that? It is the Khasi people. Why? Because the Khasi people are not communal. We treat each and every individual, each and every community as a human. We protect you, we help you. But our helping hand, that doesn't mean that when we help you and when you grow here in our state, that you will come again and you threaten us. That is not the way. We should live in peace. We should live in peace. We should work together. What we want is all Bangladeshis go up from the state of Meghalaya, leave northeastern state, go back to your country. Indian citizen, live here in peace, grow here. We live like brothers and sisters in one constitution in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much.